The last time we flew the drone over the harbour entrance to get shots of the sand build-up was 2 weeks ago. We've now had a few days of beautiful, calm and sunny weather, so we're hoping for improved water clarity to highlight the shallow spots. We would have liked the low tide to be closer to LAT, but the waters are still not as clear as they can get, and the low today was at 0.35 metres. Again, not ideal. The last few days, with the good weather conditions, the dredge has been busy and the areas it's now covered can be made out. The most recent NTM issued on the 30th May. Number 223T indicates a minimum depth at LAT of 2.5 metres in the centre section of the port entry light, with 2.3 metres at the eastern edge. We've upped the contrast and colorised the footage to try and improve the areas of shallow water. And it's good to see that the dredging is continuing to work on improving the entrance and bar. At times during the day when it is working, as you enter or leave the harbour entrance, it may appear that the dredge, pipelines or supporting vessels are restricting your passage. In these cases, it is best to call them up on VHF channel 16 or working channel 82, and they will be happy to advise you on when and where it is safe to pass. Tonight, the dredger is currently parking up in the river on the western side of the entrance and is well lit up, but care must be taken to avoid the floating pipeline alongside which may not be lit so well. It's also pumping the sand onto the shore to improve the enjoyment of the beaches.